Hello friends, today I'm gonna make the most viral nails of this time. Yes, I'm talking about the bangle nails. These nails are very popular and trending right now, so I thought I should create bangle nails. This time I'm not gonna do the hard gel extensions on my nails, but I decided to go with the gel X nail extensions. As you know that I bought soft gel tips recently and I used these tips as nail extension molds. You can see that in my birthday nails video, which is my last uploaded content. When I removed those tips, they did not break but got some translucent curves because of limited flexibility. Like they are very flexible, but I mean to say that they are hard to bend, which means they have good quality. So yeah, I took those tips and using them again to do Gelex. I thought it's better to make the design separately and once they're done, then I'll apply them on my nails. So here I'm creating the bangles with two shades of gel paints and two layers of hard gel. I don't want to make them high in apex, but I'm adding the thin layer of hard gel first to put the color gels and then cover all the marble effect with thick layer of hard gel. These are easy to create but very time consuming process. I think these are enough. And now let's move to the next step. Now I'm using my spider gel to make a dark 3D base for chrome application. I mixed the spider gel with hard gel so the spider strings will be less in application. I applied 2 coats of this and then cure for 90 seconds. I saw the inspo picture but I am not following any of them. I made my own style and the gel steps has been done and before apply the chrome let's cover this bangle with a layer of top coat. I made the chrome bangle only on two nails because I don't think that all nails will look good with at least one golden appearance on them. I want to make every nail different and unique with attractive design. I think golden chrome is enough, won't use silver chrome this time. If I'll use chromes in all the nails, maybe they all look same and that is not my vision at this time. So I decided to make only two golden bangles. I randomly applied a layer of builder gel on all the nails when I started these to make and then started adding the color. With these steps, I could get the idea of managing the space between the bangles. And for doing the embellishments, I also used the same hard gel. Place them one by one in a line like we see on the bangles. To taking the small stones on the tool is so much time taking because I cannot put the big ones more and then adjust them in a line. And seriously, I'm telling you that if you ever create these bangle nails especially for beginners, make sure you squeeze your 2 hours separately for this part because these are very small and they can be lost anywhere in your room and you cannot find them again. And these tiny metal balls literally made me headache in 10 minutes. I lost some of them and I could not find yet. Thank God I did not apply the nails first on my hands and design them. Otherwise they can take my whole day and still not completed. You can use brush to apply these and also use the toothpicks. But I suggest you to use toothpicks. They make the adjustment of the stones very easy. And at this time I feel like something is missing in two nails. So I took my thin metal nail tape to make the border of the golden bangles. These tapes are so much thin and I struggled a lot to put them in where I needed. because they are not sticky that much. So when I put them on, then the side ends of the tape loosen up and did not stick to the gel properly. After cure them, now I cut the extra part from both sides and make sure the nail edge and tape will be equal. One strip is done and now I'll attach the other one. If you don't have the wireless UV lamp or any handy lamp, then don't worry, you can use your big lamp as I'm using this small one. For that, I showed you my hack, how you can use, and if you are new, then you can check my previous videos where I told you about this hack. It works 100% and very useful for beginners. I used two color nail tapes. One is silver and one is bronze. You can skip this step if you are satisfied with your embellishments. After completing all the details and designs, now it's time to seal everything with non-wiped shiny top coat. One thing you should take care of is that don't apply top coat on the rhinestones and pearls because top coat get yellowish when you cure that, and your stones and pearls will get yellow too and not look good with that layer. You can see that I'm avoiding to apply top coat on the stones. If I got, I wipe that off before cure. But you can apply and seal the tiny metal balls with top coat. No problem because they are golden. If top coat get yellowish, then the golden color will look like what it is. I'm not applying the top coat on the upper part where they are plain because maybe I'll apply the base color to complete the look. This is the thumbnail and I kept the length full as they were. And this is my second time to work with this length. I am very excited to apply them on my nails. They are very long but I loved this design. I made the bangles according to the Indian style. I hope you like my Indian style bangle nails. In my next video, I'll have them on and complete the design. So don't forget to check next video, but before that you have to subscribe my channel for latest nail art videos very first. See you in my next video. Bye.